Good morning, wealth builders. It is a lovely Saturday morning and having more car trouble. So right now I am outside waiting for AAA to get here because yesterday, I'm trying to get my lighting right. What is happening? Okay, there we go. That's mad bright though. So yesterday, come outside after work, my car would not start. So assuming battery's dead, no reason for it to be dead, didn't leave any lights on, etc., but my battery's dead. Get a coworker to jump my car, drive 20 minutes home, turn it off, turn it back on, won't come back on. So essentially now, this was last night, so today I just called AAA for them to come and do battery test whatever I need to test, make sure that my battery isn't the problem. Also called Toyota, gave them a heads up because I'm just like, this is crazy that I got my car back from you guys 10 days ago and now I'm having more issues. And so basically the lady was trying to tell me how, even though they checked the battery last month when I was there, how batteries can go at any time and without warning, etc., you know, trying to cover their behind. So essentially they should be here in 2 minutes, and so we'll see what's going on, if it's my battery that's the issue or what the issue is. So let's see how this turns out. She's saying that the battery isn't necessarily the problem, but it might be the alternator or another part.
I'm thinking it's the battery, but I gotta wait till the tester finishes.
Okay. So yeah, there'll be some type of warning. The battery's kind of warning. Yeah. Yeah, that's what I thought too. So it's possible it can be an old battery, but I just figured there would be warning signs of some sort.
2013 is when the battery was installed.
Okay, so it's in there.
Paper and lead, and it's filled with acid. So what happens is in your case, one of the liners broke down between the cells, so you get a bad.
So you replace the whole battery.
Yeah.
Okay guys, so I just got back home from replacing my battery. So what ended up happening is that the AAA guy, when he came out, assessed the damage, you know, said I need a new battery. He recommended a couple of places that were nearby because he's a local. So he said, like, you know, like, this one's good, this one's bad, this one will overcharge you, etc., So he recommended 2 places to me. So I called them both, got what their prices were. The first one I called, they said $200. Nobody wants to answer their phone this morning. People not about to get my business out here. Just tell you to lose this today. Sure, they would have upcharged me anyway.
Hello?
Good morning. I have a quick question. I want to bring in my car to replace the battery. How much would that cost?
What kind of car do you have now?
It's a 2008 Toyota RAV4.
2008 RAV4. I have interstate, but it would be part and labor, including tax, everything, 169.
169, including everything you said?
Everything. Interstate battery. I don't have another brand, like cheapest brand. There's 5 years warranty.
Okay. I just want to make sure that it's, you know, actually 5 years and not the 24 months as written on the battery. So
yeah, don't worry about that.
So another $169 spent on this lovely car of mine. And I mean, the moral of the story, I mean, this and the last story was really just do some quick comparison shopping, do what you gotta do, get it done at the price that's fair, and yeah, just make sure you keep contingencies for these types of things. So it sucks that I have to spend another $169, but I mean, I have it to spend. That's why I have an emergency fund specifically for my car so that I can use in times like this. And I mean, can't complain too much. It's a beautiful day outside, to be honest. The sun is beaming, as you guys saw in the earlier clips. You know, all of this gladly is happening before winter has hit. So, you know, can't really complain. So, not too bad. That's all for now. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.